Hi, Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak. So my people, today inshallah I will be walking you through my days in Ramadan as a mother of two toddlers. I will be walking you towards how I spend my day in Ramadan, what I do during the day. I'm not going to bore you with too much of the entire day activities, but I will make sure that I captured most of the most important moments, how I do my things, and how you can be organized in your day and everything. Even though with children sometimes you cannot be fully organized because of unforeseeable circumstances like what I'm going through right now. Yeah, this little angel, she woke up not long ago, and today is Thursday, so I'm hoping to drop this vlog by tomorrow, Friday. If not tomorrow, then Saturday. Then it's going to be 3 days or 4 days of my Ramadan. Oh my. You see what I'm talking about. So anyway, let's move on with this vlog. Let's see what I can capture for you. I think yeah, let's go. So I hope you have seen my video for this Ramadan decoration. If you haven't, I'm going to put it on the link under the description. How much do you have there? 25 cents. So that is $1.
That's $1.
That's $1. So you can put it in the one. So you have to place it right here.
Yeah, here.
Good job. And now we'll put it in the bag.
I like candy.
You like candy?
Yeah.
Only candies you like?
Yeah.
Alrighty. This is our day one first iftar. I just made eggs, fries, and potato and chicken patties. So that was just day one. I was not able to record anything. And for our day two, so what I have here is some onions and some cilantro and some carrots. I'm just going to blend them and make some beef samosa. I'm also blending my cooked beef, so I will be mixing everything together. And here we are. I had this huge, because we bought one full lamb and we took it to the butcher house to cut it into pieces. So bringing the meat, I just made a little bit of sauce of the meat before I get it into the freezers. So here is what I made, and because I am already started to cook for iftar, that's the final result. And the next item on the menu is kosai. So I'm just going to be blending this kosai. I was running really late for this iftar, so I fried it, and then I also fried the spring rolls. I was supposed to make a samosa, but I couldn't even fold it, so I made the spring rolls, and I fried some fries for the kids. So here we are. After iftar, I was really tired, but I still decided to get this meat into freezer, and by doing that means I had to put it all in portions into Ziplocs because my small freezer was already full. And so I'm just gonna work on this, and I'm going to be putting them in the freezer. This is everything. This is whole lamb. Is a full complete one whole lamb, and I'm hoping this meat to be able to sustain us until the end of Ramadan, maybe until Eid as well, because we're going to be mixing with chicken and fish. So this is what we do. We just go to the Costco and we get the full halal lamb and just cut it into pieces and put it in the freezer because it's way easier, and lamb is so expensive here. I don't know why. Usually you see the beef is like five something per pound, but the lamb is like twice the price. So but getting this one, when we get the whole one, is cheaper. So this is day 3 and this is sahur time. I decided to record everything for day 3 for you guys because both my 2 days I wasn't able to do much. So for my sahur I don't eat much. but my husband and I doesn't eat much. So usually what we do is we take a protein shake. So I have this vanilla protein shake. I also have my dates, and I have my fruits here, leftovers from iftar from last night. So this is all I'm going to be having, and then I will be having some water after this, and that's it. Because most of the time when you eat heavy, you become more hungry. So the best thing is to eat something light, especially fruits, because they have so much water in them, and milk. Okay, it is morning, so here I am. I'm just going to brush my teeth, and I will wash my face and put some face oil on my face so that I can get ready to just do some stuff before the kids wake up. Usually at this point I either do this or I just run into the shower. I get ready before the kids wake up, but today I decided to just pamper myself a little bit. I'm going to do some facial after, but I want to run into the kitchen to just get some dishes done that we use from last night. It's not much because I washed most of them before I went to bed. I just had the food processor and the blender that I use for the kosei and the samosa that I needed to wash. So I'm just going to rinse them off, and then I will be cleaning the house before the kids wake up, and then we move on with the rest of the day. So I'm done with the dishes, and here I am just washing my two deep sinks. I love these sinks so much, so I always wash them after. So kitchen is clean, and this gives me a really happy moment, because having my kitchen really messy is the worst thing that I can think of during the day. So I have all this done. I wiped the kitchen and everything, so this is everything that I have. And these spices you're seeing here is going to be my first collaboration, and the video is going to come very, very soon. I'm going to show you what I did for the lady. I'm actually going to be having more videos coming, but this day is the day that I film her first video. So it's my first collaboration. Yay! My first paid collaboration.
Hey, finally!
Hi, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum!
Baby just woke up.
Wake
So
up!
brush.
Yeah!
Can we eat now?
Yeah!
Yeah? Rahima.
Yay!
Say hi. Wanna give Ami kisses? Give Ami kisses. Give Ami kisses. Give Ami kisses, Rahima.
Yeah!
Oh my god. Oh no, that is such a gross kiss. Rahima, real one. Did you think it's funny? Hi.
Hima, real kisses. Hima,
Just woke up.
wake up. We wake up.
You woke up?
Yeah.
Oh, you loud.
Yeah.
Dachi, move away. It's my mommy. Move away. It's my mommy. It's my mommy. Give me a kiss. Yeah, that was the kids that woke up. So moving on, prayer time and also ibadah time, to some Quran recitations and everything, and just do as much as you can, as much of the time that I have, because my second is just all over the place. So I'm just gonna go shower them because it's already Zuhur time. So yeah, let's move on. After showering, then I'm going to start cooking because I want to cook earlier today, so I won't be late for iftar. So what I did is I left 2 ziplocs of the lamb from yesterday that I put in the freezer. I also have some grinded chicken breasts, so I will be making some chicken spring rolls today, a lot of them, so I can put in the fridge, and then I'm going to fry the meat. So these are part of the unforeseeable circumstances. My younger daughter just broke this candle holder. Dora just broke the candle holder on the table.
Get off from here.
Oh goodness. Well, so that was it, and then here I am. I started walking. I am trying to fry boil the meat, and I'm going to fry it and sprinkle it with some chili pepper, some soya spice, and I'm also going to be making the chicken spring rolls. Forgive me, I'm still fasting today and I'm doing this voiceover. I know my voice will be sounding like I'm trying to sleep or something. So the same recipe that I did for the beef is the same thing I'm going to do for the chicken spring rolls. So I just have my onions here, the carrots, and the cilantro. So I put on everything here that is done. Can you shower? Oh, no. So I am done frying the meat and I'm going to be making this recipe for that collaboration that I mentioned to you guys earlier. So I am arranging everything here to just take some couple of pictures of the spices before I filmed the recipe. So the recipe I'm going to film is going to be part of our iftar for tonight. So yes, because I can make this recipe and then cook again for iftar, so I'm just making something that we're going to eat for iftar, and I'm going to be using the spices to make it. So I will film it as well as doing this vlog. So this is the life of a content creator life, kind of. So here's my daughter just having a snack, and moving on, my meat is still frying in the air fryer and I think it's done. So I just put on the chili now. So this is the recipe. I already vlogged it. I already captured everything. So I am just finishing up and we're going to be having iftar. So this is a sneak peek of what I made with the spice, and I will be uploading the video very soon, and that is going to be our iftar. So I have the fried meat here and we're going to be having the vegetable with the white rice, and here I have the chicken spring rolls, I have kosei, and I also made some spinach eggs, and we're going to be having it with tea. That's it, because iftar doesn't have to be heavy or too much. So just that's everything that I have here, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. And yeah, it's iftar time. And it's also one of my favorite moments because we get to all sit on the table and eat dinner together. So Ramadan Mubarak. Which one am I supposed to say? Yeah, so my people, this is going to be the end of this vlog here. We just had iftar. We haven't had dinner yet, but I guess I'm just going to log out of this vlog here because we're going to pray Maghrib now, and then I'm going to rest because I've been working so much today. So, and then we're going to do Isha and then find the time to eat dinner, because most of the time it's just so hard to even eat dinner because you're tired and you're exhausted during the day and you just want to rest. So anyway, inshallah, I will see you next week Friday. I will do my best to vlog a couple of days for you guys, so I'll upload every Friday until the end of Ramadan. And Ramadan Mubarak to everybody that is fasting. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Good job.
Yeah, 27 to go. Here?
7 days to go, yeah. Okay, let's put it back. Rokoshi. Alrighty, this is me after Isha prayer. I was hoping to just pamper myself with a little bit of foot massage, so and do a little and do some pedicure too. So here I am. I'm trying to get myself really rested with a foot massage. So my people, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy everything that I did during my days. This is a 3-day vlog of Ramadan. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Inshallah, the vlogs will be Fridays.